not blame the external circumstances for taking away the peace of your mind. It's your prerogative and your responsibility to make sure that you remain peaceful, irrespective of outer chaotic circumstances. You cannot keep escaping into the mountains, or you cannot keep taking holidays, or keep indulging into spiritual practices, or lock yourself into a room because you find the world so chaotic. The major restlessness comes from the thought within and your inability to process the thoughts very well. We're going to teach you how to process every input, whether internal or external, to achieve the peace of mind. It happens in a step-by-step way. Let's begin with a simple course, and we'll hold your hand to take you to the pinnacle of peace and bliss. It's certainly possible, being where you are, being with people that you're surrounded with, and doing the work that you have always been doing. Let's rediscover the peace of mind.